Speed and velocity. Speed and velocity are two different things, but there's not much different about them. So we combine them into one thing. Speed is, that was at least 100 miles per hour. You see that cannon I just threw that? So speed is just which an object changes position. Speed. So I have this marker and speed is just a rate at which an object changes position. It's your general idea, it's what you usually say. Now velocity, 200 miles an hour, easily. Velocity, rate, and direction. Of an object's motion. All right? So this is just the rate at which something changes position. This is rate and direction. That's the big difference. You just need a direction, such as 300 miles per hour to my left as you're looking at the screen to your right, easily. There's these guns. So that's basically just the difference between them. Velocity has a rate with direction. So with velocity, I would say I'm going 10 miles an hour north. Speed would just say I'm going 10 miles per hour. Doesn't give a direction, just says I'm going 10 miles an hour. There you go. That's the big difference. Now speed has a formula. Speed equals distance over time. So if I say Bob walks 10 miles in 2 hours, what's his speed? So to figure this out, I threw all my markers, I don't have any more. There we go. So to figure this out, we just plug it in. So my distance is 10 miles. My time is 2 hours. So how I would plug this in is speed equals your distance over time. So my distance is 10 miles. My time is 2 hours. Right? Now the units are important here. I'm going to show you why. Because I divide 10 by 2 and I get 5. But now the units at the end matter. This is miles over hours, or as we say, miles per hour. That line in the middle just means per. You'll get a lot of meters per second, kilometers per second, kilometers per minute, stuff like that. The units are just as important as the math when it comes to speed and velocity. The only difference with velocity is I'd say going 5 miles an hour south, just with the direction. And that's about it for speed and velocity. It's a pretty simple concept, just two things that are relatively the same but not exactly.